Well, as the number of new COVID-19 cases continue to increase, officials with area hospitals say they're seeing hospital beds fill up.
WEAU's Maria Blau is live at Marshfield Medical Center in Eau Claire to share what's happening in the Chippewa Valley and what may be a barrier to people getting vaccinated.
Bob and Danielle, almost every county in Wisconsin meets the CDC's definition of having a high level of community transmission. With cases rising, health officials are urging people to get vaccinated. Though it's not the only cause, at HSH's Sacred Heart Hospital, a growing number of cases of COVID-19 is contributing to the hospital being at or near capacity. At Marshfield Medical Center in Eau Claire, Chief Administrative Officer Bill Priest says the hospital is getting ready for even more COVID cases.
We have maintained a perpetual state of readiness when it comes to COVID-19. We needed to reopen our COVID unit, the specific area of the hospital where we care for COVID patients, because of the increase in the COVID population that needs to be hospitalized.
In a statement, Mayo Clinic Health System in Northwest Wisconsin says it continues to see an increase in hospitalized patients with COVID-19, and we expect that to continue in the coming weeks. We continue to encourage anyone who is eligible for the COVID-19 vaccine to get vaccinated. Some people who are unvaccinated say they face barriers to getting the shot, like getting time off work, transportation, or childcare. Another barrier: misinformation. While not unique to the pandemic, UW-Eau Claire Associate Professor Kate Hinnett says it can have dangerous consequences.
Where it becomes a big problem is when people start making decisions on their, about their health or about the health of their patients on the basis of misinformation.
Misinformation is something Chippewa County Public Health Director Angela Whiteman tries to combat.
I definitely have received phone calls from people in the community where they're just asking me questions about vaccinations and the information that is out there and what is a reputable site. I would say that misinformation has been a contributing factor to some people not choosing to take a vaccine.
It's that vaccine that health officials say will help beat the pandemic. To check if information is credible, Hinnett recommends looking at more than one place and going beyond your usual sources for information. Live in Eau Claire, Maria Blau, WEAU 13 News.